Good morning, Andrew. Can you clap your hands? Can you show me how you clap your hands? Or are you just gonna stare at my phone? Can you show me how you clap your hands? Good job! Can you show me how you dance? No, dance. How do you dance? You're a good dancer. You're a good dancer. Where are you going? Can you show me how you dance? You can dance with my shoe if you want to, my flip-flop from Old Navy. Can you show me? One more time. Good job. All right, now dance. You have to bounce. Bounce up and down. Yeah! Oh no, don't get upset. That's right, no. Good job. I don't even know what to do with you. You're the cutest.